all wrong, good.
Mama!
Go!
Go, man!
Bird, do hand feed.
Yeah.
You eat like half of it first.
Woo!
Swallow that down. You swallow it, then you eat the other half. You maul it down. Then you just keep going. You
Yeah, listen to Baylor.
You got
What?
You got this today.
No, I'm serious.
Pearson did it.
Garrett Pearson did it.
Hey,
You can do it. It's all right.
Pearson can do whatever he wants. He's got an industrial problem.
Oh,
I'm just playing.
Milk, motherfucker.
Got milk?
Where are we at? What are we
Hey, my
at?
grandma gave me that.
Lisa, what are we at?
40 seconds.
Oh, my God, dude.
Holy shit! Come on! Go! Go, Bird! It's over! You're fucking done.
Finish it. 10 seconds.
You're almost done, Bird.
10 seconds, you can't fucking do it.
4, 3,
Hey.
2.
It's gotta be swallowed with a dry mouth.
Dude, I want to good. Eat them all, man.
Hey,
I can do it.
they tasted bomb though, didn't they? Yeah, good. All salty and shit. Oh, fucking bomb. Hey. I'm in hand, it's all you, man. Yeah. Oh, turn down. Bree?
No.
Bree? Are you photo allergic?
Woo!
Let me see. Hey, hey. What power?
What power?
What power? How many of those can I get? What power? Hamilton. I'm fucking very there you go. So I'm fucking very disappointed in you. Bird, I didn't see one from you either. Let's see salute, man. Let's see salute. You. What?
Wait, hold on. I'm pulling one of my belt buckles.
We gotta get one from you.
Hey!
Yeah, that one. Hey, get Whipple's belt buckle on there. Don't fucking do it. I'll kill you.